We are here again, guys, heading to the gun show after 3 weeks of the previous gun show. And this is the Tuscany Suite and Casino, and this is the Western Trail gun show. Let's check inside. Let's go. Dito ulit yung Tuscany Suite Hotel. Ito yung venue ng gun show for today. And this is what they have here. As usual, guns, rifle is everywhere. This is nice. I just want to show you guys around, and let's see one by one later. They have a lot of handguns now because they just open and the guns is still all here. Oh wow, there's a lot of guns, and also the rifle. They have a lot here. Guns everywhere, guys. I think this is huge vendor for today. Oh, they have. This is the armor. Oh, this is the Delta. Tiger. Itong gun show for today, guys, is parang napakaraming paninda dito, napakaraming vendor. Kaya i-share ko lang, iikot natin, guys. Butcher's Choice. What's this?
That's a nice thing.
Oh.
So same thing with the rose.
Guns, handguns. Hi, sir. Hi. They have a lot of handguns. This is the accessories, magazines. Holster. You want holster? They made customized holster. Yeah. This is nice. Custom made, 2-in-1, concealed. 69. Oh, this is the old guns. Oh, this is nice. 2 barrels. And another old guns here. Okay. Another accessories. Another guns, handguns. Oh, it's really guns everywhere. Oh, this is the battle arms. Yeah. Eto, guys, yung venue nga nitong gun show. Medyo malaki rin, maluwag. Tapos maraming mga nagtitinda. Ipakita ko lang, guys, itignan natin mamaya isa-isa itong mga paninda nila. Of course, nandito rin itong mga gun accessories, gun parts. Ayan. And this is the 1911, guys. Oh, they have a lot. the 1911 guys. This one. Isa itong gun shop dito sa Vegas. Ito, armor. Ito yung mga lumang kagamitan guys. I think this is the World War II. Oh, this is bayonet. Hey bro.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, where's Heidi? Did they not join here?
They're not here, no. I just came by to hang out.
Okay. Maraming mga paninda rin dito guys kung naghanap, kung gusto mag-ikot-ikot dito. Marami ka ring makita. Katulad nito, yung mga what do you call this? Jewelries? Ito, yung mga stone. They have different stone here. And this is Kabayan. Busy sila, guys. Oh, this is nice. Talagang kuhang-kuha niya yung M14 to, guys, dati, oh. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsama sa aking video. Sana abangan nyo yung susunod kong share para dito sa event ito.